ended up in secondary country. Supposed to be in Japan, and I'm in Bangkok. So we're back in Thailand. So I'm here for 48 hours. We'll make it count. Good 48. Y'all enjoy this one. Just got a little Thai bot for the birthday vacation. Massages all day, every day. Let's go, let's go. Took a little longer this time, guys. Made me queue up. Let's see, we're number 57, which is down. Where's the driver at? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
You have holiday.
Yes.
500 baht, huh?
Huh?
500 baht. Including portion.
Yeah.
Including.
Okay.
500 baht. First time.
You know what you're doing, buddy.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
Vì ngồi hiểu đến 2 bằng chứ.
Okay. Let me get you some money. 2, 3, 4. Okay. All right.
Okay, sir, we will take care of your bag and send to your room.
Okay.
Please borrow the passport for checking.
I got everything. Thank you.
Hello, sir. How are you?
Hey, all right. How are you? Good. You guys know how the rooms are here at the W. We always get a nice bathtub, separate toilet, shower, rainfall, a couple bottles of water. And you have your closet space with your luggage rack and robes and iron board, mini bar. Nice TV, king size bed, and a view of a building and the BTS train. All right, this sums up the W, which I always try to stay at once or twice a year when I'm here in Bangkok. I know it's not traditional Thai food, but I got some nice rice and some wings just to eat while I'm working on my computer over here. And then I'm getting ready to go and get my massages and get cleaned up first, take a shower, go get some massages. That's the plan right now. Guys, getting ready to start this vlog off here in Bangkok. Thank you. get up out of here, get this bike, and head to Osaka. For those of you who watched my last video, this is Sukhumvit Road, Soi 4, and the pharmacy is right here, guys. Just walk 30 seconds. And it's right there, the drugstore, right next to the cannabis shop. It's closed right now, though. Took a ride, guys, headed to Soy Cowboy. Let you guys see what's going on over there. Look at the madness that's happening over in that red light district street. So yeah, the reason why I'm here in Bangkok instead of Osaka, which I was supposed to be in Japan, but the hurricane or the tropical storm caused a bunch of diversions, and I missed my connections to Los Angeles and to Anita's. This was the backup plan, and I'm gonna meet my brother in Phuket tomorrow. looking ass girls. Look like fucking 12-year-old boys, man. I'm so glad I'm not a passport, bro. Whatever that shit means. Cause I go out and get it at home where I live, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no problem getting down where I live, so y'all gonna get that shit together. It's all good coming to Thailand, getting your rocks off, man, but don't live on that. Don't just rely on, you know, getting to Thailand to get your rocks off, because this is adults paradise and you're gonna have a good time, but you shouldn't have to rely on that. You should be strong where you live at home, and then you can just come to places like this and not have to get down, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, we at the room now. And we live to fight another day tomorrow, you guys. Peace out. See you in the morning. Good morning from Bangkok. About to go get a little breakfast, and then we're gonna go look for a new gym, or maybe go back to Muscle Factory here in Bangkok. But let's go get some breakfast, y'all. Always gonna start my breakfast off with a little fruit. Just got down, you guys. I had some eggs, a couple of hash browns. I had 2 pancakes and fruit. And now I'm stuffed. I think I overate, y'all. We're going to let this food settle and then go to the gym. It's about 9:30 a.m. So see y'all at the gym, y'all. Guess what, y'all? I'm back. I took about a month and a week off of the pre, and I figured I needed, because I was losing motivation and lack of motivation, and my inner workouts were terrible. I had zero energy, and you know, a lot of that probably weighed on you know, just getting out of a like 4-year relationship, you know, when relationship really wasn't supposed to end, but it did, when people just, you know, figured out it was time, you know, to end those things. But anyway, like I said, I had to get back on pre just to power through the workouts, because that's the main thing that you want to do when you're going through a big change like that, is you want to keep consistency and discipline in the gym, and I was starting to lack both of those. So anyway, let's get to this pre, let's get to this gym, and anyway, see y'all at the gym. Thank you. Back at the bodybuilding source.
make it work and find another route.
Just wrapping up a session here. This shit is hot as a mofo in this gym. Open air. Whew. Gym session complete, guys. Muscle Factory here in Bangkok. Huge gym. It's like a fucking warehouse. 2 or 3 warehouses all in one. Pre-workout saves your life, y'all. When your motivation is terrible, get on that pre. Thank you, ladies. Appreciate it. Yo, I just worked out for 1 hour and 52 minutes. Burned 1,200 calories here at this damn gym. Because I sweat so much, it was so hot in there. Anyway, wrapping it up. Getting ready to head back to the hotel, the W. And see what the night holds. Probably more massages and more hookah. Signing out for now. See y'all later.
Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route. Always had a way to make it work and find another route.
It just took us 45 minutes in traffic to get over here, and this rain and traffic. Damn. Cutie. My ass is tired now. 2 hours in the gym, 2 hours in traffic. Shisha time here, guys, at Dubai here in Bangkok. Gonna be a mellow night tonight, guys. Gonna shut it down after I smoke. Get on the plane tomorrow. Going to Phuket, celebrate my birthday. Gonna meet my brother who just flew in there today, and we're gonna have a good time. So we're gonna end the Bangkok video here. See you tomorrow. Phuket. That's gonna wrap up the Bangkok night. See you in Phuket. Peace. And I'm Jay. This is Chasing Gains, baby.